Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I've been on a sticker book adventure. That's why I love my subscribers so much. I really do. You all inspire me, you motivate me, you get me going. And I hope I do little things like that in return for you as well. But Pamela at Pamela Makes Memories, she has really planted a seed for me. She sent me some Happy Mail, and in the Happy Mail she gifted me a sticker book, and I really was on a sticker book assignment. I have got all my stickers in these plastic containers, the smaller ones, the slimmer ones, and whenever I want a sticker I just look at the whole pile of containers and I think, oh my goodness, do I have to go there? You know, because you go in and you're rummaging through and you can't find what you really want. I mean, this was filled to the brim, but I've sorted them out and categorized them, and I was really busy last night doing some filling in. But I am so glad, and I can't thank you enough, Pamela, for helping me out here, because it solved my sticker problem. Really, I have got masses of stickers. Let me show you. I just managed to find these. I have got all these, but these are all sorted into categories here. I've got the butterflies and purple color, that I have got a full container on the shelf there with all the butterflies and everything. I want to do all the mushrooms. I have got, let me see, I've got all these to do as well, and leaving out the sticker books, because sticker books like okay, say like the Happy Planner books, for instance, those are not involved in this adventure here. This one has got all my faith stickers in, and I think I'm gonna put my keep my faith stickers in here, and I think I'm going to use this for my self-care stickers and all the inspirational and motivational stickers. That is what I'm going to use this for, because it's a chunky monkey. It can hold a lot, and that's what I'll do with that one. Now, the first time when I opened the Happy Mail, I really thought this was a budget binder, because I have got a lot of budget binders, not specifically like this one, but because it had the plastic wallets in it as well, I just automatically thought it was a budget binder, but it's not. This is what I've had in my stash. This one I had purchased a long time ago, specifically to do my budgeting in. As you can see, it's got the budget wallet, but I do have a lot of budget wallets in my stash as well, and I thought, okay, let me take this one out and use it for the stickers. So that's what I did. Oh, I've got so many more stickers. I don't want to bring down all the containers and stuff, but I spent last night doing all this, trying to get them into the categories, and all these, what you see here, have come out of this box. See, all these, and this is as far as I have got. I used my sticker release paper, cut them into A5s, and I punched the holes. The holes are not too good. The next batch I'm going to make sure I do it properly, because the sticker paper, it's so slippery. They keep moving anytime you try to line them up to get them in order, and my hole punching wasn't very good, but I don't mind that. That's least of my problems. So I will be punching some more papers and getting to grips with that. But as you can see, all these has all got to be sorted out, but at least I have sort of categorized what is going to be where. I have still got all these flowers that I have. These are black and white, and these are all the greens, more greens, and oh, I didn't see this one. This is cute. I bet you I've got one like that. Okay, so these are all the greens that I've still got to do. And I find that these ones are such nuisance, these ones with the white going around them. Oh, the white borders, they just don't stick, and I've been using my double-sided sticky tape to put some on, but these ones doesn't stick very, very good. So I may have something else to use. Maybe I should just keep these ones in a container, perhaps in a few containers, because once I've started to empty them, they are going to be much. I'm going to have a lot of empty ones. See, I've got all these and these and these and these. Can you see? I'm piling them up. I'm hoping that you could see. It's just really bad, really bad. I've got stickers in here, and I have got stickers in here. Plus, I know that I've got packets of stickers like these somewhere else. I know that for sure. I've just got to dig them out. So that's what I think I'm going to do. All the white border ones that doesn't stick very well, I am definitely going to keep them in a container like this. Yeah, call it a day. Might as well, you know. Okay, and the thing about it is that it is so therapeutic. It really, really is. It's just lovely. I mean, I spent hours just sitting down. I had a cold drink and I was just filling in the spaces. You see, like these with all the white borders, I've had to use double-sided sticky tape to keep these down because they kept on falling out. So what I'm going to do now, I'm not putting any more in. I might take these out, don't know, and just put them in a container. See, that's what they're doing. I think that's what I will do. That's what I will do, definitely. But this one, there we go. There we go, because I was looking for, because there's two of each, so there's one of these missing and one of these and one of these, and that will be the whole set of them, all in doubles. They're all in doubles. I've got some more binders like these. that I'm going to use as well. Let me just lift this up a bit. Yeah, I'm going to use this binder, and I have got a few more in my budgeting box in my stash that I'm going to use for the rest of my stickers, because trust me, as I said, Pamela, she planted that seed, and I'm just on it now. I really am. It makes so much sense, because when I got the containers, I really thought that would help me out to organize my stickers. But as I said, to get a container out and to rummage through, you're missing what you really want, and you ended up taking out stickers that not what you wanted, and just making do. So with these, no more making do. You just flip through and you take what you want. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get out the 2 more I think I've got in these ones, and finish cutting up my my sticker release papers. These are the ones that I've had from about 18 months, 2 years now, and I did order some new ones as well, and it's from the same company, and very good feedback reviews, yep, for that same company. I mean, in all fairness, that is the only one on Amazon in the UK, that seller for the particular one, and I'm really happy with it. So what do you think? If you've got any suggestions, feel free to leave me a comment. I'm gonna fill this one up a bit more, because I think I'll just do all flowers, and maybe nature can fit in here, maybe pets. I've got all the animals. I'm thinking maybe animals as well could fit in here, because I've got a box with pets. Maybe, or I'm definitely going to put the mushrooms in here. I'm definitely going to put sort of like all the autumn stuff, and maybe I'll fit the butterflies in, just depends. But these can really hold a lot, and they can be better than these ones, to be fair, because this is limited, right? But see, this isn't. You can bulge this one out to your heart's content. So I think that's what I will do. Oh my goodness, I'm having a great time with my stickers. I'm going to actually make a playlist just for my stickers, so if you are interested, it will be in the description below, strictly for stickers. If you'd like to send me any stickers, feel free. You can email me. My email address is on my about page, and I'll be happy to take any stickers I can get. I do love stickers. Oh my goodness, I love stickers. I've got so many doll stickers, everything I've got. So if you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves, and see you back soon. Bye for now.